We'll walk around with Ralph again. We're down here getting some. It rained again last night, but it didn't flood, thank God. But we're down here in Roswell getting some footage from a local neighborhood. As you can see, the damage was pretty devastating. We got people pulling out stuff to the street. The city's been doing a really good job sending around a big claw in a truck and getting everything out. I love the way the neighbors are all coming together on this and helping each other and doing what they can to make life a little better for each other. Just refreshing to see this, but it's the bill. I had a moral dilemma whether to do this walk around or not, but I finally decided to do it because people just it needs to be documented a little bit. But anyway, we're not going to get too much into it. Just a short walk around. We're having to do things to slow the traffic down. We had one guy with a tractor out here who's been doing all the tractor work for free. You know, it's pretty rough. You having to go in and cut the drywall in your house and pull all your furniture out because it was floating in 3 foot of water. But anyway, that's what we got here. The whole neighborhood, and it's been more piled up than this. They came through yesterday and picked a lot of stuff up. So let's just walk around with Ralph. We're walking around the Roswell flood. I'll be back in a bit. Come here, Clyde. As you can see, everybody had these beautiful 6-foot picket fences. This was a gate and double concrete, so it didn't get taken away. But that fence used to run. Somebody's glasses. That fence used to run all the way around this yard. And so did everybody else's house in the neighborhood. Used to be a 6-foot picket fence. We got a few pieces left of other fences, but I mean, they're just gone. There's not a stick of them left anywhere. They just picked them up and took them. The whole place has been hit and hit hard. This is at the end of what we call the Spring River. So it washed through here like nobody's business. As you can see, it moved a lot of stuff around. Like I said, I was at kind of a moral dilemma here whether to do this or not because of all the devastation. And this area was hit, but some areas downtown got hit a lot harder. You can see remnants of memories, and sheds are knocked down. Just a total devastation because the water was up 3 foot or better in most of these houses. The fences are torn down. This is it. I was born in this town and had some friends that lived up in this neighborhood. It's a beautiful neighborhood normally. You just can't imagine how some of these people are feeling, but I love to see that they're all pulling together and helping each other out on this cleanup. It's been a tough time. We had a little bit more rain and a little scare yesterday because it said it was going to rain, and it did rain some more. But anyway, this is Walking Around with Ralph, and I'll be posting this, but Clyde's out there doing my camera work for me, and that'll be it for right now. Come on back in here, Clyde.